Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete clips in Splice. Splice is a powerful and easy to use mobile video editor that lets you create amazing video right from your phone. In this tutorial we'll learn how to delete clips from your project so you can clean up your timeline and keep only the best footage. So let's get started. First you need to launch to the Splice app on your phone, and if you do not have a Splice app yet you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And once inside the Splice you'll see your video clips arranged in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Simply select one of the draft here, and in the timeline here to find the clip you want to remove, take a moment to preview it by pressing play just to make sure you're deleting the correct clips. Simply tap on one of the clip that you want to delete here, and the bottom there we can see tons of icons. Simply slide all the way to the end and select this delete here, and it will automatically delete the clip. And after deleting, the remaining clips will automatically shift to the close the gap, and you can play a video to check the flow. You can rearrange the clip if needed. And that is it. Deleting clips in Splice is quick and help you keep your project clean and organized. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.